I'm working with him. I don't know if he has some other plan.
No, no, you should tell us. So it is nothing other
nothing
than
other.
working together.
Yes,
only.
yes.
Bere pade.
Yeah.
What happened about the Ravindra Bhavan?
We had a meeting with the Komunidad on Monday with Honorable Minister Ramesh Dawadkar, Komunidad committee as well as Minister and myself. We are chairing a meeting within 8 to 10 days. Minister has given assurance that we will sit and discuss how to go about the transaction of transferring the land from the Komunidad to the government. How it is to be taken, whether it is to be taken in kind with a build-up or whether it is to be outright purchased or how, whether they will pay a lease of 99 years, that is to be finalized. Because the Komunidad has taken a resolution saying that government is to be fixed the rate at which it is to be transferred. So they have to give, the government has to give them an answer how they want to move forward. So it is, the ball is in the court of the government. की पुढे वचपाचे वाट कशी काडपाची.
Why so much delay, sir? The issue is very long back.
So there is land acquisition in question. It is not government land. If it was government land, it could have been built immediately. The Komunidad had to take a general body, which they have taken in June or July last year, 2025. It's almost 7 months. Then minister was changed. New minister came. He told me that he will look into the matter. But now he has assured that whatever.
Election लागू पावता दिसवा.
We are not working because of the election. They डिमांड आसा ते फक्त म्हापशेकाराचे पूर्ण बार्देसकाराचे डिमांड जावन एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली म्हापसा MLA इज आस्किंग फॉर रवींद्र भवन ऑफ म्हापसा. इट इज बीइंग आस्क्ड बाय ऑल 6 MLAs who are with me, whether it is Rohan Gaute, Michael Lobo, Delilah Lobo, Milkal Alankar and Carlos Alvarez Ferreira. So it is all our demand together to make sure that this Ravindra Bhavan comes up with the constituency of Mamsa. काढलेलं आहे बाबा.